Hello everyone, welcome to this short video. It's just a quick one because I'm really excited to let you know that on the 1st of September I'm starting Patreon. So I'm quite excited. I've worked really hard, which is why we haven't had any Tuesday videos just for a little while, because I wanted to put my energy into making sure I was going to give my patrons worthwhile content and things. So I've been working behind the scenes to make sure I've got all that set up and ready. So it starts on the 1st of September. It's £5 a month. So basically what we've got is PDFs and sketches, so you'll have extra ones of those. This will be spread out over the 4-week period for each month. So you have extra PDFs and sketches. Behind the scenes there'll be pictures of what I'm doing, what I'm working on. Sometimes I'll just felt and chat and we'll do that. Exclusive pictures for Patreon. I've got a good one coming up in October as well, which I'm trying to get 2 months ahead, so you would never have to wait, or something would happen if I got a cold or something. So I've kind of worked on September and October. You've got early access to one video a month. You'll get to see it a couple of weeks before everybody on YouTube does. You've got exclusive pictures. I will be doing, as I say, each month you will get a tree and another picture as well that will be just on Patreon as well. There will be polls, so you can choose. Some of the polls will be like what the tree is going to be, and come December it'll be a poll to choose what next year's series is. So like this year we did the Enchanted Forest, and so next year I'd like a series to run through, and you can have some input and we can work it out together and choose the series for next year. What else is there? So anyway, so it's all that sort of thing. I'm going to make sure there's always something on there for you. There's going to be something every week. And if I've got time and things, I will add extras on there as well. To me, Patreon, if you're paying for me to do it, then you deserve the best I can give you. So that's what I'm going for. But obviously everything else on YouTube will stay the same. I'm planning now. I've kind of got organised, so I'm planning now to make sure that I always have a video of a picture felting on a Friday. No matter what else happens in life, you'll always get those on the Friday on YouTube. And I'm going to start doing things probably every other Tuesday on YouTube as well, so you won't miss out on stuff. It's just that Patreon will be a bit more personal. We'll get into deeper things and they'll have bits and bobs that I don't put on YouTube. So it'll be you'll probably get to know me a bit better and things like that. But if there's something you're interested in, please, I've got the link in the description below. Pop over, have a look. Even if you can't do that, your support for me just by watching and liking and commenting is massive. Thank you. And just in case you wanted to know, anything I make on Patreon is going to go to things like buy me. I do need an electric desk because I really need to stand up and work. So it'll be going to things like that. So it's all worthwhile, and however you do it, you're always supporting me, and I very much appreciate all of you. So that's it. I've gambled long enough. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.